Good morning, everyone. We are in Gandipet. This is the entrance. Now, this is so much greenery. See on the left side. These plants are actually so great. Full of greenery. This thing I actually played for a long time. It's so fun to play. And this is so greenly, and this pond is called Gandipet Pond. And I stand on these weed things. My mom always says that they are poop. And this thing is a musical note dancer, but we never played it. It was abandoned in 200 years old. But I'm still playing it now, but the music is not playing. I don't know what's wrong, but this greenery is so good.